Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and this is the second video in one day with the tutorial, and this one is going to be about cooking. Not like that cooking, like you're being really good at something. Cooking like making food. So let's go on. I did make a cafe place kind of thing, so comment down from 1 to 10 how good you think the cafe looks, and yeah, sure, let's go. Should I be like how is this transition supposed to go? Ooh, I know. Right, hey guys, so this is my cafe. It's not 100% finished, but you know, it's got some of those really cool things. Yes, I'm a redstoner as well, as you could tell. Yeah, just come follow me. So as you can see over here, maybe we've got some right here tables, and we can eat. So I'm just gonna see right down here. So what you hungry for? Here, let's go see. This is a buffet, you know. Here, this is a buffet, so you can get some pancakes, burgers, cookies, sliced fruit, pizza, or trash. I'm thinking no trash. How about some pizza? Maybe not. Some sliced fruit. Some sounds good though. Alright, let's get some sliced fruit. Alright, I'll be right back when I get it. This is the upstairs kitchen. As you can see, we've got all of our food. We've got our flour, potatoes, sugar, and lettuce and pasta right here. And in the fridge, we've got some eggs, tomatoes, fruits, and milk. Over here in our ice place, we've got some steak, chicken, and bacon. And those are all of our 3 things. As you can see right here, whole view. Over there is our normal food. Does not need anything. Over there is regular refrigerated. And then over there is our ice place. So this is our cooking area. You can see. And yeah, let's just get to work. I'll just get some ingredient. The first ingredient, we need only 1 ingredient for sliced fruit. Basically, all you need to do is get fruit, put it in here, I'm pretty sure, and then turn this on. You'll hear that sizzling noise, and then that's when you know it's going to pop. I like jumping and catching it, but look at that fruit we've got there. You can zoom in. Oh, it looks so yummy. We kind of just want to eat that though. Alright, anyway. Now let's go downstairs and eat. You're not hungry for this? Okay, more for me. Yummy. Yeah, you can actually eat it in this game. So, I'm thinking dessert. What about you? I'm thinking cookie. Oh, there's a lot of money for a cookie. Alright, let's go get some cookies. So, here's how to make cookies. Going to need to get flour, eggs, and milk. There, this, that, and this. Just like that. Press this button, and then the oven will go in, turn on, and start baking. Huh? Oh, you're gonna have to press the button. You're supposed to put it in the bowl. Okay, now that we've got our dough, let's just put it right here. I actually know. We're gonna have to get some sugars. I'll be right back and get some sugar. Alright, there we go. Now we got the sugar and we got the dough. We put this inside. I'm joking. That's not how it works. You gotta put them both in the oven. Press the button. Put them in the oven. Then press the button. Okay, now it's opened. And then you've got a cookie. Now I'm really hungry for this cookie. So if you don't mind, I'm sorry for everyone who is looking at a cookie right now and really is hungry. Please don't hate me. Yeah, but that's basically this cooking place. So if you want to try getting new foods, making new stuff, tell me, because this is amazing. So see you in another video. Comment down 1 out of 10 how good my cafe was, and also comment any new foods that you've made, from like putting lettuce and steak and bread makes a burger inside of the pot. So if you make any of those mixes, just comment down. Yeah, and like and subscribe. Hey, thank you guys for watching. The next video will for a tutorial will be cosmetics. So we'll be teaching you how to get them, how to buy them, and all the ways of how to get them. And yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. So yeah, that's all. So bye, like and subscribe. And if you guys want to see me in VR as my Yeep, then all you have to do is just go into the private server and then put ABCG, and you will be able to see me in the game while I'm doing a video if you want to join. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye!